Hello guys, my name is Julia Nekhai and I'm a community manager at DEIP company, and I want to tell you about our ambassadors program. We have started it a few weeks ago and have received almost 500 applications by now. The participants live in different countries, from Venezuela to Malaysia. It's really breathtaking how many people share the ideas of DEIP team and want to join us. The participants for the first cohort of the DEIP Ambassador Program has already known. 30 lucky ones become them, but we will add new members. The call is still open for the people from different professions. Among them there are bloggers, designers, influencers, developers, Web3 and crypto and blockchain enthusiasts, representatives of the creative sphere, for example, musicians, artists, fashion specialists. Our ideal ambassador is a person with a great expertise and a huge network in the creative field, with a deep understanding of blockchain, Web3, creative economy. What activities do we offer for our ambassadors? Well, among them there are content creation, community contribution, tech ambassadorship, and talent scouting. More details about scope of work and the reward you can find in our Discord. Besides, if you have an idea of a cool content project or even a new Web3 business, you can send us a grant application. DEIP is a sophisticated ecosystem project. Our aim is to hack the system and change the rules of the game, returning the intellectual property rights of content-backed creators. If you share such ideas, join to us, become a DEIP ambassador.